Direk, how was the feeling po na after ilang years ipapalabas yung GLU and sabay pa na dalawang movie mo ipapalabas?
Yung nasabi ko nga kanina, ever since high school college, dream ko maging director, kaya ginapang ko talaga, malagay sa ganito. So, surreal yung feeling and very blessed na from 0 movies, dalawa yung mapanood. So, nakakatakot. I mean, finally to put something out there of my work, exciting. Ayun, so sana maging successful both. We'll see how it goes.
Yan. Ano po nga abangan nila sa movie na to ng GLU at bakit dapat panoorin ng mga tao?
So yung theme talaga nung so it's for young people, the characters are young. So it's about living your best life. Like how they, kasi the group of friends here, maghihiwalay na sila So parang sinasamantala nila yung last summer na meron sila together. So live your best life with the people you love is primarily what the movie is about.
Okay, and ano po yung mga next namin dapat abangan sa'yo, direct? Or any movies or series ba na
sa amin, so GLU, then Elevator also showing on the same day. Tapos my partner, Lino Cayetano, is directing High Street for ABS, so that's awesome. So tapos Shugo Praico, my other partner, siya naman, they're doing the 3rd installment of Bagman with Arjo and Judy Ann. So yun, all those things from Rain Entertainment.
And yun, since nga po, you're willing to work with other artists ngayon, and sikat po ngayon ang Kim Pao. So are you willing to work with them ba in the future? And
of course, si Paolo. Tas Kim has always been, kasi galing ako Dreamscape. So unang soap ni Kim and Gerald pa dati, Love Spell. Ako nagsulat nun, tapos Sana Maulit Muli. Tapos si Gerald, Budoy. So, I mean, of course, ba't hindi, di ba?
And kung anong genre ba yung anong gusto mong gawin with them, with Kim Pao?
Kung sila romance na may pagka-anime inspired. Kasi si Paolo, super anime geek. Kaya kami, actually, yun pa sa usapan namin ni Paolo, mga anime na favorite namin. So, something like that.
How about po ngayon yung Kat din, if ever nagagawa niyo sila ng movie?
Sino?
Catherine and then, Alden Richards.
Catherine and Alden? Shit, parang mahirap sundan si Direk Kat.
Hello, love, goodbye.
Parang mahirap. sobrang galing Direk Kat.
Pero no, impossible naman po, di ba? Walang imposible. If ever if ide-direct mo sila, ano pong gusto mong gawin nilang genre or role?
Catherine and Alden. Ako, I would love to make it like action. Yung parang to test their physicality. Kasi alam mo si Alden, malakas din mag-workout sila ni Pao So, Catherine, mukha namang physical din. Parang iba.
And any actors pa na gusto mo biggest actors na makatrabaho in the future?
Sino kaya? Piolo, just because napag-uusapan namin talaga. Piolo always will be a dream person to work with.
Ayan. Thank you so much, Direk. Invite everyone.
So, GLU again, at April 24, please support. Elevator na rin, support na rin. So, 2 movies.
Yeah. Thank you. Congrats, Direk.
Thank you.